Hey there, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can restake your ETH through the new eigenlayer platform and potentially qualify for a future airdrop, which some people are speculating that eigenlayer may release. And really quickly, if you have no idea what eigenlayer is or what restaking is, essentially it's when you take some staked ETH that you have and you're using it as collateral for an additional layer of security, and it's called restaking. And in exchange for putting up your staked ETH as collateral to do this, you earn additional rewards on top of the staking rewards that you already get. So for example, if you have rETH or stETH, currently the rewards are around 4% or 4.2% per year, something like that. And apparently the process of using staked ETH across multiple protocols at once, and this is from the eigenlayer website, apparently you can juice your staking yield by almost double. So let's say from 4% to 8% and potentially even higher. Now, step one, before you can stake through eigenlayer and then potentially qualify for a future airdrop, is that you need some staked ETH. So you can get this through Rocket Pool, you can get it through Lido, or if you have a staking validator with 32 ETH yourself, you can also use that, but it's a little bit more complicated. Now, I have previous tutorials talking about how to stake with both Rocket Pool and Lido, and also you can just go to, for example, Uniswap or another exchange and then swap into staked ETH. But once you have some staked ETH, you're going to want to go to eigenlayer.xyz, and they have the option to restake. Now, when you hit restake, it's going to bring you to this page here where you have an option to connect your Web3 wallet, like your MetaMask account, and this is going to be wherever you have your staked ETH. But the issue is that currently, since it's in essentially a beta release, they are only gradually allowing a certain amount of staked ETH to be added. So they've actually currently reached their caps. So right now, if you went to the website and connected your wallet and tried to actually stake, you wouldn't be able to do so. Yesterday, Eigenlayer released a new extension of the staking caps, and that was hit within a couple of hours. So you need to actually keep an eye on the Eigenlayer Twitter, because they announce here every time that they're extending the cap total. And then when that happens, people can go to the Eigenlayer app and restake their staked ETH. Now, once you do successfully manage to stake some ETH with Eigenlayer, it's going to show up in your dashboard here. So it's going to tell you how much ETH you have restaked, and you're going to accumulate points, which is a measure of your time integrated amount of staked units in ETH. And then also there's a ratio which is divided by the total amount of other people that are restaking. And so this is going to be used to calculate staking rewards, but also potential future airdrop potential. So that is it. Basically, that's the simple tutorial on how you can restake with Eigenlayer. Currently, it's closed, but keep an eye on their Twitter account so that the next time they open it, you can get in. And also, I should mention here that restaking is not without risks. There is the potential to get slashed. And so you need to weigh those risks against the potential benefits of juicing your staking yield and qualifying for a future airdrop. That is up to you. I can't tell you whether or not to do it. However, this is a simple tutorial showing you exactly the steps if you are interested. Hopefully you found this helpful, and I'll see you later.